Good morning, everyone. Can you see me? Okay. Rosie and I are here. We're going to show you a quick tutorial. This is something that surprisingly not a whole lot of people know. But we're going to teach you how to turn the light off when you leave the room. How to turn the light off when you leave the room and you're not using it anymore. Okay, so what happens, it happens all the time. You wake up in the morning, bless you, you can't see anything. So you turn on the light. But what a lot of people do is, they forget that the light is on and they just walk out of the room not thinking anything of it. So we're going to teach you how to turn it off. So, all right. It's the morning, I turn on the light, Luckily, in this case, the light was already on. I'm leaving the room now, and this thing called the light switch is right here. Funny looking thing right there. So what I'm going to do is bang. Just like that. Just going to use my finger, flip it off, and walk out. Okay, let me show you again. I know it's quick. See? Got my finger out right there. Boom. So easy. You're going to be turning light switches off all over the place when you're finished using them. So, once again, you turn on the light so you can see. Right now, you're looking at my daughter's messy bedroom. And you're leaving the room. There's the light switch. There's my finger. Turn it off. Walk out. Amazing. So now you don't have to live your life with every single light in your house on anymore. Can you see me? Is the lighting off? There you go. Yeah, so you don't have to live your life like that anymore. You can turn the lights off when you're finished using it, and you can save money on electricity. It's really a beautiful thing. All right, y'all. I'm running out of time. I gotta go change a diaper, wash some dishes, pick up some bedrooms and the like. So enjoy your day.